Hey everybody, today I will be teaching you how to make the 4-picture rotate transition. If you don't already follow me on Instagram. My username is edit on Funimate, and you can follow me on Funimate, and my user is @edit. Now just heading into Funimate, let's start a new project, and we can choose something random. It doesn't really matter, just like this. Like so. And the next thing we're going to do is head into an app called Photo Collage, which we will be using to make the square. And we're going to go into our camera roll and select our 4 images. I'm going to use these 4. Yes, those 4. And just heading into here, we're going to tap borders. And then we're going to increase/reduce to the size we want. Just like so. Now this is going to be a quick tutorial. This is very simple. Once it's saved to our photos, we're going to head to Instagram and we can look up overlays, and you can screen record any of these. Make sure you credit them, and I already found one which I will be using. It is over, where is it? Oh my god, I can't find it. Over here. Now let's drag this clip back in. Shouldn't have even taken it away, honestly. And we're just going to crop this so it fits. And make sure we cut it right. Now you can insert your image, enlarge it, and place it in the corner. Then go to animate, custom, rotate, plus, and then at the point you want it to rotate to, add another animate diamond, and then rotate it, like so. Just like that. Now I didn't get these the right way around, the images, but you can literally just do that in the Collage app, and I can show you soon. 1 second. So this is what it will look like. Now heading back into Photo Collage. Let's go. And now you want to think when you rotate it what it's going to be like. So they are going to be like this. Now saving that, I'm just going to replace this. As you can see, look at that. If you want, you can add a scroll bar, like so. So you just place that there. And now you want to duplicate it. Change it to a marker, place it on the top. And then you want to animate the dot, like so. sliding it down. You can add another one just like so. And it looks like it's making it slide. And that is it. Now this is the final result. If you like this tutorial, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'm coming out with more content soon. Peace.